Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fold a pocket square. In this video, I'll be going over a tutorial to do the two-peak fold. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. You want to start off with your pocket square fully opened up, and you want it to be in the diamond shape, not the square shape, but the diamond shape. Now, when you start off, what you want to do is you want to take the bottom corner, bring it up, you want to fold it up, and you don't want to line it up directly with the corner. You want it to be slightly to the right, but at the same height as that corner. So I folded it slightly to the right, just as you can see right there. The next thing that you want to do is you actually want to take your bottom right corner of what looks like a triangle, and you want to fold it to the left. Now you don't want to fold it all the way to this corner. You want to go, I would say, close to about 80 to 85%. So you want to go somewhere around here, just like that. And the top should actually look like that. This is what it should look like right now. Now we're going to take the left side. We're going to fold it over along with this corner. We're going to fold the whole thing over past this right here. So you want to set your width when you do this. If you go like this, it's going to be much wider than if you go like this. So I'd recommend figuring out the width of your pocket and making it work like that. Then you want to take this leftover piece right here, and you want to lift it up and wrap it behind. So I've wrapped it behind, and you can even wrap it again if it goes around. Now, if you look at this side right here, what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over. You don't want to see this side right here. In my opinion, I mean, you can use this side as your two peaks, but if you flip it over, this side is actually going to look much better. So what you want to do now is you actually want to set your height for your fold. Now, you can actually set your height by folding it probably along here. Now you can set it to be taller by doing something like this, or shorter by doing something like that. So you can set your height by folding the back just like that. And then what you have here is your two-peak fold. Now what you're going to do in your pocket is, that's what's going to be showing out of your pocket, give or take. So you can just even fold it again if you want to. It's up to you, but you don't want to get it too thick down here at the bottom. You just have to make it work. And if this piece keeps coming out, just make sure you really tuck it in there, and then you fold this and put it in your pocket like that. And that's what your two-peak fold is going to look like. And that's basically it. In this video tutorial, I've gone over the basics of the two-peak fold for folding a pocket square. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.